Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for EOS. As always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. First key level we can see is this swing high here. As price came up, hit, and reversed drastically, and we notice long wicks reacting to the same key level. Another level we noticed is right here, as we have multiple reactions to the level. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, here on the weekly, what do we notice? We see another key level right here, which is obvious to spot from this swing high right here. If we look left, we see multiple reactions to the level, and we look right, we see multiple reactions to the level, acting as resistance and support. So, if we drop down a little bit, we notice another key level. So, we plot it on the chart. But before we do that, we color coordinate our lines to the time frame we're working in. So, from this swing high right here, what do we notice? Well, we see price come up, reacting as resistance before breaking through. As price comes down, we see price reacting to the same level, acting as support, as resistance here. We see a reaction to the level here. So we have acting as resistance and acting as support. Now, if we go ahead and look at our most recent price action, what can we see? We notice a swing low here. Price came down, hit, and reversed drastically. And as price came back down, we've seen another reaction from the key level. Now, we can also plot in a level right here, as this is the most recent swing high. So, if price continues to push up, we will expect another reaction from this key level here. So, we notice another level right here. So we plot it in. We see reactions to the level here, reactions here, and reactions here. Remembering that our key levels only give us a general area where we expect to see a reaction from price. So this reaction over here is confirming the level. We see a long wick reaction here, and we see a long wick reaction here, which in both instances hit this weekly level and got rejected from our monthly level here. So we notice another level right here. We see long wicks acting as support, and we see long candles reacting as resistance. We see a reaction here, and we see a reaction here, and another one here. So we have multiple reactions, and it's obvious to spot. Now, we can also plot in our weekly swing high here on the candle close. So, looking at this chart, we can see multiple key levels where we can expect to see a reaction from price. But, since price is all the way down here, the only levels that we care about that are in play are these two here. We can keep our monthly key level here. So if price breaks through this level, we can expect to see a reaction at the next key level. So these are all the key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.